In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a blend door actuator on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located under the dash on the right side. Let's get started. Here we are under the dash on the right side, and we're going to remove the Christmas tree clip for the vent. We're going to push that back out of the way. And get this harness out of my way as well. We're going to pull that air duct piece down, remove the vacuum fitting. Just pull it straight off, and then we have to get this boot over the fitting. We're going to remove our actuator from the vehicle. There's a clip on the back side, all the way in the back, that we're going to need to get to. And then once we have that clip off, this rod is going to come off of the fitting on the end, and you're just going to twist it in the counterclockwise direction once it is unhooked. To get it unhooked, I'm going to reach up and over. I'm going to use my middle finger or pointer finger, and you're going to feel a little tab. I'm going to pull up on that tab, which is going to unlock it, and we can pop it off. And we're actually going to twist that down in the clockwise direction to remove it. This is going to be the tab you're going to pull on. You can see that little hook in the front. We have to get that over the unlock and then remove the actuator. We're going to install our new actuator. Follow that rod up and find your little clip. Install the actuator bracket onto the clip. Install the actuator onto the bracket. Get it lined up and push until you hear a click. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. And be sure that rod is still installed into the clip. Install the vacuum line onto the new actuator. Be sure that tab in the back goes over the fitting. Install the vent up into place. Install the bottom clip, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.